Model, Dodge Van 5.2L petrol American import 89k miles starts drives needs alternator. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 89,473. Engine, 5,210 cc. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect connected to a jump pack. Alternator needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. This will make a nice project for somebody, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 former keepers, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.